Hello everyone, I have another Valentine project share, and I'm using this really cute Heartthrob kit from Queen & Company, as well as this stamp set from Stampin' Up. Hello everyone, I have a Valentine project share, and really quickly I'm just going to go through some of the dies and the products that I used. The paper that I used is this one from Crate Paper called Hello Love, and I know it was really popular last year, so I'm using that one. And then I'm also using this really cute kit from Queen & Company, and the paper that I'm using on some of their projects is this paper here. And it's called Heartthrob, and it's from Queen & Company. It's a 6x6 pad, and I used some of these really pretty papers here, and they are double-sided. They just kind of repeat. And then in this kit you get some of the foam pieces here to make the shakers with, and I did make a few shakers that I'll share with you. I didn't use these, but it comes with these acrylic pieces that say love, hello, and thanks. Comes with this sequin mix, really pretty, different hearts inside. These enamel dots. It also comes in this plastic pouch that you can put in a binder. These really cute stickers. These little shaker bits here, the hearts. These are flowers. Lighter pink flowers. And then the pink hearts. Turquoise blue, which is really pretty. And then these really pretty gems here. Then it comes with 4 dies, this stitched heart, and I need to get that piece of paper out of there. Comes with hello and thanks. And then I have love cut out on the shakers that I will show you that one. So I love the font for these. I used this little ice cream, and it has a little face there, but I didn't use the face this time. But really cute. I used this heart die. Used these hearts. Really cute. Also this die set here. It says love you and XO. And the arrow here. So really cute. Then this stamp set, it is called For the Love of Chocolate from Stampin' Up. And I just love this stamp set. Has all the chocolate here with a little kiss here, candy bar and a kiss, and then the chocolates here. Really fun. This says, friends are the chocolate chips of life. Chocolate is proof that God loves us. Chocolate in you, what a sweet treat. And next to you, the best thing in life is chocolate. So really cute. So first I made these little popsicles. And I added some stickles at the top and then a heart. And I cut it out with ombre paper. It's really fun. So first I just have some 3x3 cards. I used some brown embossing powder and then some embellishments here. This says XOXO. And it says chocolate in you, what a sweet treat. And then this one says friends are the chocolate chips of life. And I added some die cut pieces with a little heart. And then I can put in a sentiment or write something inside. So there's that one. Oh, and I forgot to share the mailbox die, but there's a little mailbox die. And I embossed with some more brown embossing powder there. So it has a little mailbox, and then inside you can add a sentiment or write a little note inside. And then this one again, I used the brown embossing powder, and then this here I used some silver embossing powder. I'm out of tin foil, but I thought that it would be also fun to try and use tin foil, you know, rip it and then make it kind of come out from around here to make it look more 3D and real. So I might try that when I get some tin foil. We are currently out. So I just added some of these little hearts around it. And then inside, the same sentiment. And here's this one, a bunch of the die cuts again. Added chocolate as proof that God loves us. And then emboss the Hershey kiss right there. And then again, some more embossing, and this says love with the enamel heart. There's the inside. And then this one here says you're sweet. This is one of those foam stickers from the Target dollar spot last year. And then there's the inside. This one says love, and this is that love die cut out from the Queen and Company kit, Heartthrob, and that's the inside. And then here I embossed the little Hershey's Kiss in silver embossing powder, and I'm actually going to look for a stamp set that says Kiss on it, just with the, you know, the little small writing, and I'm going to stamp Kiss right there. But I haven't found one yet. And there's the inside. Did some layering there, some of the hearts. And then here's this one, did some background stamping, and I popped up the little chocolate candy bar there, and some more embossing here. And then there's the inside, and I can do my writing on this side. It's two more. This just has some die cuts. Let's see. And I use this paper tray ink die here for the hearts, the little mini hearts, and that's what I also use the confetti around the big heart here. That's the little confetti that I used from this die here. This is from paper tray ink. And then again it says love, and then I just left it blank on the inside. And then there's this one, it says love, and it's just really simple. Cut out this little jar, and I forgot to grab this jar die, but it says XO and then a little heart in the center. Just a couple little embellishments that I put together here. And then I added some of the enamel dots there. And then this one has the Hershey's Kiss that I embossed. We clip these to a project or a box or a bag or something like that. And then here are some of the shakers that I made. And these shakers I used this, it's just polka dot acetate. And I thought it would be fun to use, you know, maybe some small print acetate or even like a light colored acetate so you can see the shaker inside. So I thought that would be really fun. So I used some of this from my stash and just use some of those pieces from the kit. And I really like the way this turned out. Kind of see maybe a little bit better there with the dots inside the shaker. And then I made this one. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's the gems inside. They give a really fun sparkle when you shake it. Sorry about the glare there. And then this is the other shaker. So I really like it. It has all those pretty fun pieces inside. So next I made a few mailboxes, and I used the tutorial from Mamie Made It. And she also has 3 different sizes of these mailboxes that you can make. It's really cute. They just come out like that, and then you can fill them up. And we're going to fill these up together in just a minute. So these are just some fun little mailboxes. I really love how they turned out. This says Happy Valentine's Day, and this is for a teenager. And I just added a bow. It says Happy Valentine's Day here. The little sticker. So really cute. I just kept it kind of more simple. And this one is also for a teenager. Stamped Happy Valentine's Day. And this says Be My Galentine. And it just kind of pulls out. I made 3 with the same paper, the flowers, because I already had a whole 12 by 12 sheet of it. So I just decided just to use that. This says Happy Galentine's Day. So really cute. All these boxes are actually for my nieces and nephews. So this is for a 5-year-old girl. I didn't do too much to it because she's probably going to tear it apart. But it says Happy Valentine's Day. And then the next 2 are for some little guys, and they are adorable. So I used kind of more of a brown paper for this, and cream on the edge here. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and it's just really more simple as well for the little guy. And then this one as well, and I kept it really simple. So there's that. So let's fill these together. Before we fill these up, I wanted to share these real quickly. I found these at Walmart, and they are Swirl Marshmallow Pops. And I added some ribbon here at the bottom, and then just a couple little hearts there. So it's kind of fun because you can change the packaging a little bit, make it your own. So that's what I did with that one. And the same with this one. So really fun. So first we're going to add some crinkle paper. I have some Fun Dip. This one is mystery flavor, and then this one is the magically changing color flavors. I think we're going to do the mystery flavor this time. So here's some of the Fun Dip mystery flavor. So here are some fruit snacks. They're heart-shaped, and I got these from Target. So I did get some tiny conversation hearts. And the large ones, like this one. But I think I'm going to go and grab the boxes instead and put those in later. Have some hugs. Have some of these milk chocolate hearts. Have some chocolate caramel. I have these Lindor chocolates, and they have the white chocolate in the middle. Really yummy. I got these for my son and daughter for Valentine's Day, or one of the items that I got them this year. I'm going to put in one of these. And then I'm going to go back and pick up those conversation hearts in the box, and then these will be all ready to go. Really fun. This is how they look. Put them all in. Look at how cute that is. Fits the candy really nicely. So that is my Valentine share. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.